Welcome to the Great Crypto Bake-Off, the cooking show where blockchain meets buttercream. In this high-stakes kitchen, chefs don't just compete with their culinary skills. They also navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Meet our host, Chef Satoshi, who introduces the rules. Chefs, today you'll be creating a 3-course meal. But here's the twist. You can only pay for your ingredients using cryptocurrencies. The contestants, a mix of crypto enthusiasts and culinary experts, are excited but nervous. They each get a digital wallet loaded with an assortment of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some obscure meme coins. The first challenge is to make an appetizer, and the chefs rush to the crypto marketplace to buy their ingredients. Chef Alice chooses to pay with Bitcoin, thinking it's the most reliable. However, she soon faces her first obstacle: high transaction fees. What? $10 to buy a tomato? This is insane. Chef Bob decides to go with Dogecoin, lured by the promise of low fees. But he quickly realizes the downside: slow confirmation times. Come on, I don't have all day. Meanwhile, Chef Cal opts for an unknown meme coin, hoping to game the system. She's thrilled when her transaction goes through instantly with 0 fees. But her joy is short-lived when the coin's value crashes, leaving her with worthless tokens and no ingredients. As the clock ticks down, the chefs struggle to adapt to the unpredictable crypto market. Some dishes turn out incomplete due to missing ingredients, while others suffer from poor quality due to budget constraints. Finally, it's time for judging. Chef Satoshi tastes each dish and considers not just the flavor, but also the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of the chosen cryptocurrencies. In a shocking twist, Chef Dave, who used a stable coin to avoid volatility, wins the appetizer round. Stable coins may be boring, but they get the job done, he gloats. The main course and dessert rounds are equally chaotic, with chefs grappling with network congestion, wallet hacks, and even a sudden hard fork that splits one chef's tokens into 2 incompatible chains. In the end, Chef Emily, who managed to balance culinary skill with crypto savvy, takes home the trophy. I may not be a blockchain expert, but I know how to hedge my bets, she declares. And so, the Great Crypto Bake-Off serves up a delicious but cautionary tale, reminding us that while cryptocurrency can spice up any competition, it also adds a layer of complexity that's not for the faint of heart.